Super Sabre jets of the United States Air Force skim over the North Island. They're flying to Ohakea to salute the Royal New Zealand Air Force on its coming of age. This special Air Force Day attracts more prosaic transport as well. 30,000 cars are on the road in what later proves to be the country's biggest traffic jam. But the drivers and passengers, 120,000 of them, forget their road worries as they take in the sights. The Governor-General is with Air Vice Marshal Kay, Chief of the Air Staff, and Group Captain Turner of Ohakea. Air Chief Marshal Sir Ralph Cochrane is here, and the Minister of Defence, Mr. Connolly, Air Marshal the Earl of Bandon, and Mr. Skinner, the Acting Prime Minister. General LeMay represents the United States 5th Air Force. New Zealand's Vampires thunder past in salute, and the crowd moves among the 40 aircraft on show. As well as service teams from America and the United Kingdom, the Australian Air Force is here displaying Canberras. While an old-timer looks up the nose of a Canberra, a youngster tries to figure out the rear end of a Sabre. Taking the opportunity to get together, New Zealand and American pilots swap information and tall stories. Few of the American planes have been here before, and they draw big crowds. Showpiece of the Royal Air Force is the Vickers Valiant, a bomber piloted out from England by a New Zealander, Wing Commander Trent. This traffic officer is interested in the Australians' Neptune aircraft. It goes backwards, just like a motor car. The Hercules, an American transport, demonstrates its amazingly short takeoff. Screaming up is a B-47 Stratojet from the United States Strategic Air Command. Details of the American KC-135, an aerial refueling tanker, are secret, but it's known to have a cruising speed of at least 600 miles an hour. New Zealanders from the SAS and their British instructors stage a parachute attack. Perhaps the most graceful aircraft at the show, a New Zealand Sunderland flying boat glides low. This is as close as a flying boat dare come to the runway. The Sunderland gives way to the Valiant, the White Ghost. Dignified and dangerous in a slow-flying display, this great bomber can carry man's most terrible weapons, nuclear bombs. Small beside the Valiant, Harvards take their turn on the program. Veterans of the last war, they're now used by us only as training craft. Young American pilots are just as fascinated with our planes as we are with theirs. Most of them are too young to have seen a Harvard. After a dizzying loop, the Harvards straighten up. Spectators remain upset. The American Super Sabre broke the sound barrier on its first run in 1955. It hit over 800 miles an hour. Today, its top speed is secret, something well over 1,000, very definitely supersonic. At the end of the day, our Vampires turn on a display of high-speed flight formation aerobatics. the vampires level out, ending an occasion that's been a truly exciting 21st birthday.